Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices.